In this video, we are going to see how to do file system cleaning, housekeeping in BMC Helix Continuous Optimization RAD servers. So I'm in the BHCO console, and generally we perform the file system cleaning task when we receive a diagnostic alert related to the consumption of the logs file or the temp file. So accordingly we can do the modification here to reduce the size. Now I'll go to ETL and system task, and here we'll search for the file system cleaner task. As you can see, I'll go here and then I'll click on this pen icon. Inside of this, I'll scroll down and click on advanced, and then we'll click on execution configuration. Now as you can see here, it says the directory name and the directory aging, right? So for example, the path of ETL log is this, and the aging, the default aging is 10. Now if you want to decrease the number to 5, then automatically it will delete the files which is there in the log folder. Similarly, it will be done on the ETL output folder, ETL temp folder, and these are the same goes for the different file location, right? For the scheduler log, for the temp folder. Now for example, I just go to the ETL log and I'll set it this to 5, right? And then we'll come down and we'll click save. So this file system cleaner task has been saved to clean the log folder of the ETL for the 5 days. Similarly, we can do it for the other file system based on the requirement or based on the diagnostic alert which we have received, and we'll save this and let the file system cleaner task to run so that it will able to clean the unwanted files. Thank you for watching and have a great day.